Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. This is Ashok from TechiBee and today we have a new update for Oneplus 6, but it is in the form of Hydrogen OS. If you guys are running Oxygen OS, you can switch to Hydrogen OS, but that ROM does not support Google Play Store, so you need to manually install that. I was already running Hydrogen OS and I received the OTA update. The OTA update was somewhere around 500 MB. So let me show you the software info. Going to About Phone. As you can see, Hydrogen OS version is 5.1.6. Android version is 8.1 with a security patch of 1st May 2018. So talking about the changelogs, they have done few improvements under camera. Let me show you the changelogs first. So as you can see, these are the changelogs which I received. My device bootloader was unlocked, so I got a complete zip file which is 1.8 GB. So now directly talking about the changelogs here. So the first changelog over here is under camera, which says added portrait mode for front camera. So going to the camera application. And here you can see, let me click a photo and you can see front portrait is working fine. This feature was missing on the previous build, but now they have added. And after that they say added preview for light bokeh effect in portrait mode. That is only for rear camera. So I have taken a photo in that. Let me show you that photo first. And they are talking about this light effect. As you can see in the background, the photo was not clear because of the low light availability, but the lights behind the photo are completely blurred. Then they have done few improvements under system. So first one, what they say is improved ringtone volume and sound quality. So that I have not tested. After that they say supported battery percentage in the status bar. Yes, this feature was missing in the status bar. We never used to get the battery percentage. You can enable it from the settings and you will be able to see the battery percentage. Under status bar, go to battery style and now you have an option of battery percentage. After that they say now able to schedule do not disturb. So that feature can also be found under settings. Search for do not disturb preferences, and here you can see you will find an option of auto toggle. If you enable this, you can set timer from what time you want to switch on do not disturb mode. After that they say added dual 4G network option in SIM card and network. So right now I'm using only one SIM card, so you cannot find that option here, but if you use two SIM cards you will be able to see that option. Later under system, optimized power consumption and improved system stability. So about power consumption I'll update you guys by tomorrow. After that under phone they have optimized the call quality. Later under earphone mode, added smart answer for Bluetooth. Now you can automatically answer calls when the Bluetooth is connected. So let me show you that option. Going to settings, search for earphone, going to earphone mode, and here you can see smart answer for Bluetooth. So if you enable this and when the Bluetooth is connected, you can automatically receive the calls. And after that there are few optimizations done for third-party applications, which is fixed sound delay in few games like Crossfire, optimize operation frequency, optimize sound issue for PUBG. So guys, these are the changes what they have done on their latest build of Hydrogen OS. Now talking about the benchmark results, going with Geekbench application, single core scores 2460, wherein multi-core scores 8960. Pretty good scores on Geekbench application. Going with Antutu Bench application, and here results are 2,85,604. So here also pretty amazing scores. So guys, these were the things available on this build. And if you guys want to install this latest build, I'll update a link in the description below. You can download and flash it using official recovery or TWRP recovery. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then do give me a thumbs up. Also if you're new to my channel then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.